Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can enter a trade after the market sweep the highest point of your time frame. Regardless if it's a daily or 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, it doesn't really matter. As long as the market sweep the highest point, this is what you should do to enter a high probability setup trade, which is gonna get you a very high RR. So what you can do in the beginning, so if you don't know how to mark the structure, please refer to my first video and you will see how you can mark your structure. So here in this scenario, we can see that this was the highest point of our 4-hour time frame. So the first step you need to do is you need to mark the wick that took the previous high. Sweep it, right? So this one you can do, this mark here for the candle you can do after the whole candle close. So if it's a 4-hour time frame, it should be a 4-hour candle, not before. Before I used to even look at the 15-minute, 5-minute time frame and then I will enter a trade, which is incredibly wrong, guys. If you are trading a time frame, you need to wait for the candle for that time frame to close to confirm the sweep of the high. So in this scenario here, this was the wick that took the previous candle, the previous high of the 4-hour time frame. So if it's a 4-hour, I recommend to you to use the 15-minute. So the first, you go to the 15-minute. Sorry. So what you look for here? So in the beginning, you need to look for a candle which is not mitigated, an order block which is took the previous candle high or low and not mitigated for in order for you to use it for that sell. So here we look at this part here and we see if something really achieve our criteria. So this is the only candle here that took the previous candle high, because this candle here is inside of that candle. So here we have this candle. So first, this candle here took the liquidity, right? Took the previous candle high. So the first criteria is achieved. All right. So is it mitigated? We will see. We need to mark the low of the candle and the high of the third candle. And we can see here that it is mitigated. This move here mitigated this candle. Just to make it easier for you guys to see, this is the high and this is the low. Change the color. And we can see that this move here already mitigated the 15-minute candle, the 15-minute OB. So what you can do in this scenario, can you use it? I don't recommend for you to use it as it's already mitigated. So to get a higher probability entry, let's go to the lower time frame, which is 5 minutes. All right, okay, this is great. So what we're looking for, so from here, from this point to this point, is the wick in the 4-hour time frame, which is took the highest point of the 4-hour time frame. So in this scenario here, we are trying to look, you start from top to bottom first. Always start from the top. So here we have obviously this candle, here, this OB here is the highest point, which is took the previous candle high. So this is our order block, and already there is imbalance between this candle low and the third candle high. There is imbalance, so you can use it to sell. So what you should do now, you should only wait. So I'm gonna forward. So once the market tap here, immediately sell, because it's a high probability setup. It's a very high probability setup. Immediately sell. All right. So once the market tap here, you can sell and put the stop loss on the high of the candle or a little bit higher. Let's see how the market will react. And what about our target? Our target, you can put the target wherever you want, but for me, I put the target in the lowest point in the 4-hour time frame because I am confident that this is a 4-hour downtrend. So I will put it in the highest point. Let's see what happened. Look at this. Look at this. How beautiful is this trade? You can add multiple positions, guys, but in this video here, I'm just discussing with you. I want to show you how you can enter after sweeping the high and the low. Just let's make it faster. Look at this. Boom. Easy. Easy, guys. So what I want to tell you guys, trading can be really, really simple. It can be really, really simple if you just wait for the highest probability setup. Happy trading.